You broke protocol.
He reached first.
He was unarmed.
He was reaching.
For a phone.
Same difference these days. How long?
3 minutes.
We don't have 3 minutes.
Still love giving orders.
Still ignore them? You disappeared.
Are we really doing this?
3 years, Hannah.
Your timing is impeccable.
Don't answer that.
Are you sure? We need to move.
Who was it?
Someone I trust.
That's what worries me.
You think I sold you out?
I think every mission with you ends in blood.
Do you want to know why I left Marrakesh?
Not particularly.
They gave the extraction order. Your name wasn't on it. They were leaving you there.
So you ran?
No. I dragged you out unconscious. There goes your 3 minutes.
Stay behind me.
Cute, you still think that happens?